Welcome to the topic of fuzzing in the Go programming language. Learn how automated testing techniques help uncover bugs and strengthen the reliability of your code using Go's built-in fuzzing support. Fuzzing is a powerful software testing method that involves providing random or invalid data to programs. By doing so, developers can discover hidden bugs, crashes, and security vulnerabilities that traditional testing approaches often miss. This technique is widely used to enhance the robustness and security of applications. Go introduced native fuzzing support in version 1.18. The fuzzing capabilities are built directly into the Go toolchain, meaning no external dependencies are required. Integration is straightforward, as fuzz tests work seamlessly with the existing Go testing framework, making it easy for developers to adopt fuzz testing in their workflow. A basic fuzz test function in Go is structured by adding seed inputs and defining a fuzz target. Seed inputs are initial values that guide the fuzzer in exploring various code paths. The fuzz target specifies the function or logic to be tested. By providing different input strings, you allow the fuzzer to exercise the code and reveal unexpected behaviors. To begin writing a fuzz test, first create a simple function to test, such as a string reversal. Next, write a fuzz test that provides seed strings and verifies expected properties. For example, after reversing a string twice, the result should match the original string. This approach helps ensure that the function behaves correctly for a wide range of inputs, including those that may not be considered during manual testing. Fuzz tests are executed using the go test command followed by the fuzz option. For example, running go test-fuzz equals fuzz reverse will run a specific fuzz test. You can also add a time limit by specifying go test-fuzz .-fuzz time equals 30 seconds. This allows fuzz tests to be conducted for a set duration, helping discover edge cases efficiently and without manual intervention. By using fuzz tests, developers can discover bugs that are triggered by unusual and unexpected inputs, which are often overlooked in manual testing. Fuzzing is also effective for security testing by automatically identifying vulnerabilities and possible attack paths. Automated coverage ensures that millions of different inputs are checked, while improving the overall quality and reliability of the code. When implementing fuzz testing, provide diverse seed inputs to ensure different code paths and edge cases are explored. Keep your tests fast so that the fuzzer can generate as many inputs as possible within a short time. Focus on testing invariants, which are properties that always hold true, rather than specific function outputs. These best practices will make fuzzing in Go both effective and efficient for discovering hidden bugs and improving code quality.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.